direct. He's a number 10 who gets behind the number 9 and also the defender, meaning he is a number 10 that makes entries into the box more often than not, and is very direct. So the game model that Coach Absul Mwadu has implemented at Orlando Pirates needs a number 10 that is able to hold onto the ball, bring the team into the game. And for Snuxolo Kwaiba, that is not his game. That is not his game. So it makes sense then as to why eventually Orlando Pirates will release him back to Chippa United. It's only fair on the player and his progress. Because as I said that before joining Orlando Pirates, Snuxolo Kwaiba was knocking on the Bafana Bafanas